You don't have a discipline problem. You have a night addiction. Every night you lose control. You say you'll sleep early, but somehow you're still awake scrolling, watching, escaping. Not because you need it, but because you can't stop. And then morning comes. You're tired, slow, already behind. What's really happening is simple. Your brain is being trained to crave chaos at night. Every scroll, every video, every hit of stimulation is rewiring your focus. So when it's time to sleep, your mind won't shut off. And when it's time to wake up, you feel empty. So no, you're not bad at mornings. You're just addicted to ruining your nights. And every time you repeat it, you're building a weaker version of yourself. That's why you need a hard cutoff. No, I'll sleep soon, just a fixed line where everything ends. No debate, no exceptions. Put your phone away from you, not beside you, because discipline isn't about control. It's about removing temptation. Replace scrolling with something boring. Reading, writing, sitting in silence. Because your brain needs to detox from stimulation. Decide tomorrow before sleeping. Because if you don't plan your next day, your distractions will. One task, one focus. That's it. Weak people chase comfort at night. Disciplined people prepare for war. Same night, same time, different mindset. If you're done losing your nights, comment discipline below. And subscribe to No Excuse Tunes, because this is where weak habits die.